to do another video.
What the heck?
See ya.
Later. Okay, so what are we doing?
A fidget spinner.
What are we doing? What are we doing, Nate?
We're going to be doing some fidget spinner stuff, and I'm not going to be here, but he is. Yeah. Bad bitch.
Yeah. All right, so Nate, what are the two fidget spinners? What's the first two going to be that are going to be doing? So I think we're going to do with the this one right here. This one right here versus the yellow Batman one. So
No, the yellow
these two.
Batman one doesn't count because it
Yeah.
sucks.
Then why'd you buy it?
I did it.
Huh?
I did it.
Who did?
Joseph.
And he gave it to you for free?
Yeah, for my birthday.
Oh, okay. Can you hold this?
Yeah.
All right. Come on.
Oh, that's my customized one, bro.
Yeah, these are those. How do you do these up? How are we gonna fight both of these? So ready, set. Let's see how fast this goes. See how fast this goes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 seconds.
All right, this time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
This would be
13,
surprising.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37.
My bad. But still, either way, it won.
That would win.
No matter what.
That
everyone
one lasts like 2 minutes.
All right, next two are gonna be the two oil slick ones, because we need to see.
No, 3. All 3 of them.
Well, okay then. All right, we'll start
Hold
off
on.
with this one. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Wait, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'm not counting for crap now.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1 minute and 19 seconds.
A minute and 19 seconds, guys.
Here, your turn. Your turn.
All right, so you're going to spin this one then?
Yeah.
All right.
1,
So he's going to spin that, another oil slick one. So let's go.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55.
56.
Let's just not,
58.
no more counting. This is hurting my brain.
Why, you just want to play with them?
All right, so this is just going to be a showcase. All right, we're going to put all these fidget spinners. And they're going to be spinning.
We're going to all put them in their colors.
No, just put them.
Let's put them
Put
all
them
in
by
their
order.
colors. And then this one, and this one goes last. Okay?
Okay. Oh, yeah, we didn't even... All right, we're going to do a special fidget review.
No, let the little ones go first.
So... put that on there. And,
Okay, I'm gonna show the last one last, but this one doesn't count because it's not real.
Yeah, it is. That's a fidget spinner.
No,
All right, we're gonna show
not like the one like that. Okay, this is the one that's not gonna go on the table because it can't spin that well.
But show them what it is. Nice tech fidget spinner. It's mine. It's
Oh,
awesome.
you can actually do tricks with it.
All right, so
Okay,
yeah,
guys.
let's put the other one. Put the other one on.
No, that's the last one.
That's a surprise.
Yeah.
Okay then. Oh, you gotta get this one too.
Oh yeah, that right there. Right under it.
Should I put some?
Yeah, put some LEDs.
Put it right there. All right, so I want you to spin every one of them, and then as soon as they're all spinned, I'm gonna turn it around.
Dang. Which one do you think is the best? This one, this one, this one, or this one, or this one, or this one, or the skull one, or the light up one?
I bet you most of you are not gonna pick the Batman one, because those ones
Yeah, the Batman
tend
one.
to end.
The Batman one's fast, but not that fast.
My favorite one is this one. Right
That's
here.
yours.
So, doesn't matter.
My favorite one is gonna come up, but out of these ones, this one is my favorite. But the biggest one that's mine is my favorite.
My second favorite is this one. Light up.
My second favorite is, you already know. So, as soon as these all stop, I'm gonna show you my personal one. My personal one that is like the best one out of all of these.
Is it even showing your face?
Oh, no, okay. Did they all stop?
Yes. Dang, that one's going fast. Your skull one lost.
Ready?
Wait, not yet. Till that one stops. Okay, it's good. All right, show them it. Ready?
Okay, you guys.
Just spin it. Start spinning it right now, and then as soon as it stops. So, from what it's spinning, leave in the comments what type of fidget spinner you do. And pause it right now and do it. Just do it right now.
Oh yeah, you guys.
All right, you can stop it. You can stop it now. All right.
Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Fidget spinner.
And then, yeah. So this right here is like 9 gears, 1 bearing, and a
one bearing, and then for the bearing to spin, we have to go like that.
It's nice. So you just go. There's 2 ways to fidget around with it.
Yeah, you can go like this, or you can go like that. That makes all the gears move. So this is how it looks on the table.
Oh, might as well just turn these off. I don't want to waste the battery. Oh, here we go. So let's end the video right now. We're gonna end it. So let's end it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down fidget spinner, and also comment what you thought before this was, okay? What you thought before this was, so you know. All right, so
comment down below if you have a fidget spinner. Okay.
all right. So
I'll do that, bro.
Okay, then do the outro.
Alright, you guys, so don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment, fidget spinner, and tell us what your favorite was. Peace.